Alambre.
Ay, more fun.
Ah, mami, more fun pa.
Oo, mas fun. Oo.
Ibang more fun.
Ibutasan mo muna.
Here. Here. Uy, anong nangyayari kay La Arnie? Parang sinasunod.
Why?
Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa.
Oh, anong pupulutin? Gano'ng kahaba lang?
Inalis yung ano. Ano sa kabila?
You need more of these?
No. We're gonna cut it nga. Yeah. Instead of just taping it, because tape is useless.
Huh?
Yan.
Wala nga eh.
Elizabeth.
Isabel.
Problema mo.
More ladder.
More fun. More death.
Maglalagay tayo ng pabigat sa ano, sa ladder. Taas ang ladder. Bato na ano, vase.
Pero wait lang. Magagawin mo na pala.
Oh, sige.
Yawa!
Oh.
Help me, ah.
Ano?
Hold the ladder.
Are we done?
Hold the ladder. Hold the
Done here.
The ladder.
Yan na.
Hold the ladder. Stay behind.
Lights.
Ang galing no, may stairs pa naman sa kabila.
Kailangan nyo ng tape.
Yes, please.
PA,
Huwag mo kaming
walis.
guluhin ni Christina. Nagtakip na nga kami.
Ay, my God. PA. Boy.
Ba't ka upo?
Hoy. Kailangan ka nilag do? Oo, sige. You need tape?
Sa kabila. Later na daw.
Pawak ulit. Bigyan, pawak ulit ng ladder.
Si Tape Woman.
Baba ako.
Oo na. Connect. Reconnect.
Chris, we're gonna tie you.
Matatakpan
From the
lang
top.
naman. Matatakpan lang naman.
Thanks. We're gonna play with the piñata.
The other end. You just jump and...
We're gonna play with the piñata.
Piniara.
Piñata.
Piniara. Hoy, kailangan nyo ng tape.
Pok, paliok.
Tape, kailangan nyo.
Oh. Si Tape Woman.
Yun na, magsabi lang.
Tape, girl.
Para ready.
Oh, rolling. Taping.
Pahingi ako, pakitip nga yung bibig ko.
Sure.
Parang no talk policy ka na.
Oh my God, what is this?
Ayun yung
Who
mga
did that?
centerpieces. Oh.
Sir Monet or you?
Parang hindi ko
You made those?
I think it's You made these?
Isa pa, ulit. Let's do Hostel and Bugoy.
This is called 69.
Tape, tapad mo.
Let's do Hostel and Bugoy.
What?
Tali mo si Bugoy dito, tape. Tape mo yung paa mo.
Gana mo.
Staple on his toes, and then you slit the Achilles tendon. Sakit niya.
Dude!
Very
Tanggalin mo.
Ang sakit din. Nilalagay na namin ito kanina. Sa eyebrows nila. Iba yung mukha niyo. Tingnan mo. Parang si ano, Silence of the Lambs.
Yeah. No, he looks like the guy in Con Air. Remember the one who was, he was in the plane, the one he always had a mask.
Let's do
like it.
Staple his toes to the ground and then
Uy,
slip
ano
the-
nyo gagawin?